Hey friends, I have been seeing this all over the internet and I am obsessed. This is the Caydo electric icord knitting machine and I know just what I'm going to make with it. The first thing I'm going to do is clamp it to my desk and take it for a test drive with the yarn that's included. Pull the yarn through the machine. Thread it on the first and third hooks, skipping the second and fourth. Then letting it hook on all 4 needles, while gently pulling the yarn from underneath. This is so simple, so it's perfect for beginners or experienced crafters. Next, I'll add the weights, plug it in, and start it up easy peasy. I'm already knitting my cord. I could watch this thing knit all day long. You can tie a knot to add another color and keep going, or you can just rethread it. It's up to you. I'm making tons of different colors, and I'm even using eyelash yarn, which looks amazing when it's turned into this cord. Really fuzzy and fun. You can make the cords as long as you want, and the quality of the knitting is consistent too. I've seen people make everything from Christmas ornaments to hair accessories with these beautifully knitted cords. I, however, am going to make some love squids. I've been drawing these characters since I was a kid, and I want them to come to life. The first thing I'm going to do is cut out some fabric hearts and add some light interfacing to them. With some embroidery thread, I'm adding a little smiley mouth. Just use a simple split stitch for this. Using 1/4 inch seam allowance, stitch them together and leave a 1.5 inch hole. Flip them inside out and stuff them with poly filling, then close the hole with a needle and thread. For the eyes, I'm clipping off the shank from some black buttons and using industrial glue to add them to the face. Now I'm securing the end of each cord with a large needle. Just thread the tail of the cord and stitch it through the loops and then knot. Stitch the excess in the center of the tube to hide it. Do this with all of your pieces. Now I'm going to stitch my cords to the tip of the heart one at a time. To give it a little more texture, I'm also stitching on some 1/4 inch ribbon. Once the tentacles are stitched on, I'm going to make some fuzzy cord and go around the heart just to give it more dimension. Here they are. I think they look great as they are, but I added a tiny beret and a bow just for fun. Make sure to check out the link for the Caydo electric icord knitting machine in the description below. This little machine is super fun. I just love it.